Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to transfer Ethereum to PayPal. PayPal allows you to send and receive supported cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, between PayPal accounts and compatible external wallets. Before you begin, make sure your PayPal account has crypto transfers enabled, and always double check the wallet address, as crypto transactions cannot be cancelled or reversed once they are sent. Now let's get started. First, open the PayPal app and sign into your account. Now go to the Finances tab, then tap your crypto balance. After that, tap the transfer arrows. Now tap receive if you want to transfer Ethereum into your PayPal account. Then choose Ethereum from the list of supported cryptocurrencies. Your Ethereum wallet address and QR code will now appear. Now tap copy to copy the wallet address or share the QR code with the sender. Then open the wallet or exchange that currently holds your Ethereum. After that, choose the send or withdraw option. Now paste your PayPal Ethereum wallet address into the recipient field or scan the QR code. Then enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer. Carefully review the wallet address, the selected network, and the transfer amount before confirming. Now submit the transaction. Once the blockchain confirms the transfer, your Ethereum will appear in your PayPal crypto balance, and you'll also receive a notification when the transfer is complete. If you want to send Ethereum from PayPal to another PayPal user or an external wallet, go back to your crypto balance, tap the transfer arrows, select send, choose a PayPal contact, or enter an external Ethereum wallet address, enter the amount, review the details, and then tap send now. Always make sure you're using a compatible Ethereum address and the correct blockchain network, as sending crypto to the wrong address or unsupported network may result in permanent loss of funds. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.